Very good, ha? Green light! Red light! Stop moving. Freeze. Don't move. If you move, you're out. If I saw you moving, okay? 10, 9, 8. Oh, don't move. Okay, don't worry. That's a little girl, okay? And of course, remember, please do not answer any questions, okay? If you answer my question, sorry, you have to sit down. You'll be out in our game, okay? I'll repeat. Don't answer any question, huh? What is your name?
Gia.
Gia, sit down there. Okay. Alright. Don't answer any question, huh? Alright. Her name is Gia. Then what about you? What's your name? Very good. Smart girl. How old are you now? Good job. High five. Sit down there.